Hey everyone, so in today's video, I'm going to show you how to take a scrolling screenshot. So this will just be helpful if you need to take a long screenshot. So go ahead and open up your internet browser of choice. I just use Brave. And right here, I just have allrecipes.com pulled up. And let's just say I want to take a long screenshot of these. So to take a screenshot, you're going to want to hit the lock button and the volume down button at the same time. And then once it's there, you should see a little arrow right here. And then just keep click on that. And then on the bottom left, you should see what the screenshot's going to look like. So once you're done, all you have to do is just click on that screenshot right there, and it will show you the screenshot that it took. Pretty simple. And that's the end of the video, so thanks for watching.